welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with another headband wig review. Now this is a human hair headband wig. Also, I got this wig towards the end of 2020, so more than likely you guys will see this in 2021, but that is a-okay. Now, I got this wig from Grace Lady on Amazon, so make sure you guys check the description box below for all of the details concerning this wig. But as you guys can see, it's a nice curly wig going on. Don't remember the length, but we will get into that very, very soon. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So as you guys saw from the previous clip, I showed you the construction of this wig. This wig, I believe, has 4 combs, one in the back, 2 in the side, and then there's one in the center front. This one actually has an elastic strap, not elastic strap. This one has an adjustable strap, and then it has, of course, that black strap where the headband goes on top. This is the headband that they sent me with this wig, so really cute and blue. Blue is one of my favorite colors. So let's go ahead and get into a little bit more about this wig. Now again, this wig is from Grace Lady. This is their Water Wave Human Hair Headband Wig. They sent me 16 inches and it retails for $63.99. The density is 150. The hair is a natural black. They have lengths between, it looks like 14 and 26 inches. As far as hair quality, now it says no smell, but when I took it out, it was a tad odor to it. Not bad, but it was definitely an odor there. It can be dyed, straightened, and restyled any way you like it. The cap size is a medium cap, 22 to 22 and a half inches. Now, as far as the black strap, it's a little bit longer in my opinion. I've said this in a couple other videos. I think the shorter the hair, the longer the strap is. So, I mean, whatever. Now, you guys saw also in the clip, I got a lot of shedding. Y'all know curly hair is, you know, you gotta detangle and all that, but I didn't even brush it out yet. Like, this came out as I was putting in my mousse into the hair. So this is what I got. But aside from that, I really do like this wig. The hair is soft. It's really soft. I love the curl pattern. I added some water, and then as I stated, I added my mousse. This is the Cantu Wave Whip curling mousse. So I'm gonna show you guys the all around. So here is the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. And here is the other side. So I do want to thank Grace Lady for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I believe I worked with them before. Don't remember which wig that was, but I think I worked with them before. But I do appreciate them for asking me to review this wig. I really do like it. The curl texture is nice. The length is nice and full, thick, all that. So it is really bomb.com. So you guys let me know down in the comments what you think about this wig. As far as the length, curl, pattern, all that stuff. Would you rock this wig and all of that? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And of course, share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, as well as post notification bell, so you when I miss a new upload from yours truly. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.